So guys, my phone got wet. Now when I try to open the phone, my phone it's the screen's just black. I put my phone in the rice in the kitchen. There, I know you can see, but I'm pointing at my kitchen right now. My phone, I placed my phone inside the rice, and the rice is now sucking the moisture from the water, and the phone should be dry in like 2 to 3 hours. But if that doesn't work, I would have no camera to film my vlogs or gaming either. My gaming videos either. I haven't I haven't posted any videos on the gaming channel. Like I haven't posted a gaming channel in forever because my other gaming channel got deleted, or I don't know. I cannot log in it anymore. But I can still post TikToks. I don't know because I'm using my laptop to film this. And I but have I said before, yes. But how do I how do I say this again? Like I said in the beginning, my phone is in the rice, so I cannot film any vlogs or gaming videos either. This would be an apology video for this will be a pre-made apology video because I would have no vlogs for the rest of the year, or I don't know. I will not have gaming videos. I will just show you gameplay, but I cannot show you any face cam. I don't know. I will just figure this out. I think how I think I will find a solution to film gaming videos. Or if I cannot find any solution, I will just show you gameplay and I will just edit the video. But just over now. Thank you.